It's me, Madison.
And me, Miranda.
We're the Unboxing Sisters. And today we're gonna show you these little sprays.
From
And if
Bayou.
you want to get some of these sprays, you can search
or candles.
Or candles. You
Search
search up
up
www.blessedbyoucandles.com.
And you'll find some of these or
candles.
or like the Christmas calendar.
Okay. So let's get started.
So we have our mini Christmas tree and our big Christmas tree. These are both fake, so we want them to smell like a real cut Christmas tree. So we have
This spray.
It's like a
Christmas
tree.
Christmas tree farm.
And then this one is fresh cut Christmas tree.
This
And
one is
Christmas tree farm. The same one as this, right?
Okay.
Okay.
2 ounce.
And
That's
this one's
4
4
ounce.
ounce.
If you want some of these will be 15. These will be 10.
Okay, let's spray some.
You spray that one. Okay.
Oh, that
Oh, it actually came this way.
smells super good.
So now we're going to spray the small one.
Oh, this rest.
There.
That actually smells good.
That smells good.
It smells like a real Christmas tree now.
And you can follow us on
Instagram, TikTok,
Facebook, and YouTube.
Bye!